Hello everybody, Dave the Rave roving the rock here, and today I'm at the place that I've always referred to as the secret waterfall, because it's just down a path, up a path from the Douglas Hotel, past where the old banner office used to be with the arched window. That's the path that takes you back down towards the Douglas Hotel. In fact, I'll even show you before I show you the little waterfall. There we go. Douglas Hotel is just down, maybe 100 yards down there. And the path also continues upwards to Brathwick Terrace, a field, and then Brathwick Terrace. And this is the area where the waterfall is. I'm out with Neil. And I'll just go to the waterfall and show you. It looks lovely with the light coming through the trees. Dappled light. Does look nice, doesn't it? A little bit of sunshine. Autumn, so many leaves on the ground. The waterfall's not at its fullest, but it's not bad. Yeah. The thing I like about it, it's got all this busyness in the white water, but immediately above it is a mirror-like surface of calm. There's not a ripple in that water at the top of it as it runs towards the waterfall under that tree. It's perfectly smooth and clear. Isn't that lovely? This point here is where there used to be a bridge over to what was the garden centre, just up there. All this land's been sold recently, so I don't know what it'll end up being, but it has been sold. Lovely peaceful spot. The other nice thing about this, there used to be a path down there as well, just where those wooden stakes are. Went down the other side. Probably could still get down there. I could jump over that, and I'm not going to today because Neil's waiting for me. The other nice thing about this is that there was some rubbish up there and old tents and things, and they've all gone. So it's back to its beautiful kind of isolated best again. Definitely worth a visit just to stand here. Maybe take a deck chair or some sandwiches or something and just sit here for a while. Good spot. Okay, Dave the Rave, roving the rock. Over and out.